In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block AI elements on search pages in Brave using Shield's content filtering. Before we begin, make sure you're using the Brave browser, since these settings are specific to Brave's built-in shields. To get started, open a new tab and click into the address bar. Type Brave/settings/shields and press Enter. This takes you straight to Brave's Shield settings page, where Brave controls a lot of its privacy and filtering features. Once you're on the Shield settings page, take a moment to scroll down until you find the section labeled Content Filtering. This is where Brave groups more advanced filters that go beyond basic ad and tracker blocking. If the section is collapsed, expand it so you can see all the available options. Next, look for the link or button that says Show Full List. Go ahead and click that. By default, Brave shows a simplified view, and this full list reveals additional filter categories you can turn on. You'll now see a variety of curated filters that Brave can apply to the pages you visit. Find the category called Anti-Search Filters. This collection is designed to clean up search results pages by removing or hiding certain extra elements that can clutter your view. Toggle Anti-Search Filters on. Turning this on won't change your search engine choice or your privacy settings. It simply enables fine-grained rules that target specific search page components. With Anti-Search Filters enabled, look for an item named Anti-AI or a similarly labeled option under that group. This specific filter is intended to block AI-generated panels, summaries, or other AI elements that appear on search pages. Check the box to enable it. Once it's ticked, Brave will apply those rules automatically, working quietly in the background. A couple of quick tips. If you don't immediately notice anything change, that's normal. These filters only apply when a page that includes those elements is loaded. The next time you run a search, the AI panels that would normally appear should be hidden or minimized, depending on how the site renders them. If a page looks off or something you need is missing, you can always come back to the same spot and untick the anti-AI option or temporarily turn off the anti-search filters to test. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Brave/settings/shields, scrolling to content filtering, showing the full list, enabling anti-search filters, and ticking the anti-AI option, you've set Brave to block AI elements on search pages and keep your results cleaner and more focused on the links you actually want to see.